Welcome back to another G35 video. If you watched the last video, I will link that in the description. But in the last video, I told y'all that I'll be installing an oil cooler to the G35. So that oil cooler just came in. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for y'all. Then we're gonna get into the meanings of why you need an oil cooler, this, that, and the third. So let's get into it. So you could come with the braided hoses, your fittings, your hose clamp, your adapter plate, and 19-row oil cooler. So yeah, we're gonna day 2 of the video. It don't take 2 days to put on the oil cooler, but in my defense, I didn't have the bracket to put it on. You know, you can order the bracket with it, but I didn't order it, so I had to run the Lowe's, get the little L bracket to put on. So right now we're about to go in out here, get the bumper took off, get the car jacked up, and I think I gotta drain the oil and stuff, so let's get to it. Let's get this oil drained. Harbor Freight for the win with the tools, you know, the Pittsburgh. It's all set up real quick. I ain't even got the dang oil pan. Let's go get the oil pan. We bugging right now, y'all. Let's go get the oil pan. Let me set y'all down real fast. Got that oil. So yeah, after you drain your oil, you want to take off your oil filter, or you can be able to mount your sandwich plate. I hate these things right here. So we got that on. So we want to get our sandwich plate. So yeah, when mounting the bracket, you want to mount it with the O-ring facing the housing. So you'll put it here. O-ring facing the housing. Then you would tighten this bolt, and I actually don't have nothing that size, so I'll be right back. So after you get your pressure plate mounted, you want to go ahead and mount your hoses. We'll not be running no gauges right now, so we don't need those, so we just block them off. See how I'm gonna run this. You know what? I just run it through here. I should have mounted it the other way, but I'm gonna just mount it this way for right now. Yeah, we can get into mounting the I still gotta tighten those up, but we gotta get into mounting the intercooler. Not the intercooler, but the oil cooler. I'm tripping. Oh yeah. Yeah. Go ahead and put your oil filter back on. Let me put a little bit of oil on this. I don't know the point of that, but my granddad used to tell me just put oil on the top of it before you put it back on. So that's what we're gonna do. Just screw that thing back on. Yeah, after you get everything mounted up, you want to run your lines. I actually ran my lines up and through here and came out the top right here by the light. I'm coming around. So since I didn't order the bracket, I actually have to create my own bracket. So right now I'm about to drill holes through this. I already started one, but I got to drill the one through this side. Then the intercooler, I keep saying intercooler, the oil cooler is going to actually mount right here. y'all can see, I got it mounted. You can see the brackets that I did. And if y'all can see, I also put the washers in there just in case. Got the washers in there. So right now we're gonna add a little bit of oil to the oil cooler. I'm gonna actually put some Loctites on the bolt for right here, so it won't fall out. So let me sit y'all down and get to that. So we got the oil and everything added. Now we about to crank it up and check and see if we got any leaks or anything going on with the car. Leaks. Look like it's doing good. I'm finna lower this thing down and see what it do. Be right back. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Basically, make sure you add an extra quart of oil when you put in your oil. It's very simple. You know, if you order the bracket, you won't have to create your own bracket. It's straightforward. So make sure you tighten everything down. That way it's supposed to be tightened. And basically it. But the reason of an oil cooler is if you beat on your car, like you take it on the highway and you just beat on it, or if you like take it to the track and junk like that, like basically new exhaust, you add bigger exhaust, all that, you need it to cool the oil. So that's basically the purpose of an oil cooler. But yeah, this is it right here, man. And we're gonna get up out of here.